CCTV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpenda ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kraya pi na benda ka NEET.
Shisngi hadian bagi bor sensyar ke sorkar Meghalaya bat ke Assam kelai keren sotu jumud hakalai tarik julio araja apun rio kinong rep kesnong lapangap kelai olat ban leit rep dak besuk besan Syagi lingkha bala syapun tut borok kata hagi karbi ke basa hatapat. General Secretary ke Hills Farmer Union Central Body uba Alfon Bert Karsentio uloong bagari ke sengi wakamen hadu kata hadian bula yo banlej ngok hidaladi yaki nong rep bat ban sakhi bagi nong rep kila yo ban rep suk hagi lingkha hakas nong lapangap. Lapun sko bagi dekat jong union ibadamenta hagi Interstate Border Peace Talk Committee. Kin salib ban sko ya menteri rang ba gajula ukondak ki sama ban penkloy no e jinge pun bet put kanang ban wengi ki jing e jong ki nong rap ki basa khaput
da kamen sim joga jing sko komen ngi sko ba ban yathu ba minta kasngi ki nong rap ki jongi hapo lapangap kila yo pat ban lech ki lingkha jong ki ban rap haki tu ki jaka hapo ka bodar hapo ka badan ki jing ya kanat manakane hapo deng kasnong tapat ka bana karbi anglong bat kala pangap kabarina po West Jenty Hill District. Kaliang jo ke Hills Farmer Union ni sngo ban penpau ya kajing sngongo ya ki arngut ki Chief Minister u Himanta Biswa u badai naka jela Assam bat kumjuru ya u Sir Conrad Sangma u badai u Chief Minister jong ka sarkar jela Meghalaya. Ni sngo ban ai khublei ya i Deputy CM jongi i Mas Nyau Balang i Balawan dala jong menin ka sngi ka meeting banyak keren bat UCM jongka Karbi Anglong District Council u Dr. Toliram Ronghang. Kalong ke IKI kaba ngisngu tenat hadu kata-kata bang yu iru ya kajing simkhia nadu USP DC nangta ki magistrate nangta ki BDO na borok arteli ki niki district na West Jenty Hill District ban napo Karbi Anglong District. Te kani ka penpau ya ka jeng tre sitam jeng kini ki arteli ki jela pala banwan rapat ya ka songsuk songsan hangtei ha ka snong hapo lapangap bad hapo tapat ngisngau ya ka ban penpau hangni bahoj ngisngau thu ba kini ki border issue kilong very sensitive kini ki border issue kam nginum job ladang yele da ka jeng ya umsnam henrengi don kam ya ka bor jobing nang tangi don kamru ya ka jeng ya sha kumba ngiyoi but nakaliang jo ka dorbar snong lapangap kala maintain bhai ya kaneka peace and harmony ban control ki pajba bakimdai ban wanra ikata ka violence lane ne ban ya penya man saw te ndrei dei bangilala ban maintain ikane ban ngilala ban wanra ya kaneka jingjop ba ngilayo ru ya ka ban lidrap ya tu ko ba jongi hangtei te ngangets kem ba kaneka jing persang ka jongi nakaliang jongka state government bro arteli ngin numachu ya kani ka jing e hakabede batka teka kajaka kabaya kini ya ketika po tapat bat hapo lapangap nakaliang jongka Hills Farmer Union ngidan ru ha kani ka interstate peace talk committee lesi lingba kani ka committee kinse kendo yo chief minister nakabenta banya keren bat halor kimat ki badan kam bangila ban penbej no ye kini ki put ki badan haki bodar ki badan kajing ya kanat te nakaliang jog Hills Farmer Union i penpau kajing so comment ka bahado kata-kata bakin banyui bakin nongrap kajongi kilayo banlit rap yang hangte hapo lingkha hapo lapangap.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our right, our future.